It's easy to draw outside
Draw
the
an
arc.
egg.
Cut in half crosswise. Cut it in half vertically. Find the top half and a half of the left half. Connect them with arcs. Same as the right.
Find this point and draw a horizontal line.
Divide the lower half into 3 equal parts.
Then divide the first horizontal line into 3
The position
parts.
of the eyes is drawn.
Cut of the corners here. Here, here, here. Draw the neck and collar by the way. Draw the thickness of the upper eyelids, lower eyelids, and some details. Eyebrows by the way.
Same as the right.
Draw the nose and mouth. Draw a few small grasses on the outer circle of his hair and eyes.
Draw 3 heads along the inner circle.
Even the same method. Draw the hair on both sides downwards.
Then draw the undulations of the hair along the outer circle. Connect every blade of grass. Add a little more layering to your hair.
Modify the surrounding edges.
Draw silly hair.
Draw hairpin. Then outline the face shape.
Finally, draw the eyes and clothes. Our line drawing of Ai Ohto is completed.
Erase unused auxiliary lines.
I used a red pencil to draw the shadow outline. Then arrange the overall wiring.
Just use red to represent the shadows on the skin.
Blue represents the shade of hair. Yellow represents highlights.
Let's use green to represent what's on the clothes. Have you learned everything?
Send your drawings to the comment area.
Let everyone have fun.